is one slogan in Marathi. मुले ही देवा घरची फुले. In English we can see children are the flowers from the God's house because the children are very innocent. They are having the very transparent and they always try to hustle more. So my friends, today's topic is don't keep yourself the childish attitude in you. Means what? If we see when we are child, we always try to do new things, try to achieve some new place, then always we are always try to get the something. If you require the ball, we run away after the mommy and papa and ask for the ball, and when you not get, you always try to crying. Secondly, you always tell the truth. Means what happening, you always, when we are small, we always tell the truth. Third is you want to check what is there. If there is some fire, sometimes the uh, small child will go there, and when he keep the hand in that, then he realize it is very hot, and that time he realized this is the fire. So means he tastes that. So when you are child, you are more practical. So you should have the childishness in you. Means you should have to take the happy moments, childish moments in your life to improve yourself and to uh, life to be cherishful. When you go to the picnic, or you go to for any long travel, you should have to keep your childish so that it will be memorable. You should enjoy with your family. Then when you are working in at your workplace or in business also, you should try new things. Like child, you should have to taste the originality, then you should have to check what it is there, and always try to get the things, so that your childishness should be there, it gives a new fluence in your life. If we, some of the people always start joking, and they are always in the opportunity that there will be joke, so the laughing gives you the most good things in your way. So always keep your childishness awake in your life. Bye bye.